Good morning, students. Today we'll do the exercise of this chapter, a magic show. So, first question is answer the following question. Who is a magician? So, I will tell you the answer of this question. A magician is a person who amuses the people with his magic tricks. Okay? A magician is a person who amuses the people with his magic tricks. Second question is, what is the first trick that the magician performs? Here. The first trick. In the second paragraph, you can find the first trick. Okay? The first trick is there's a big wooden box with a lid on it. Okay? From this line till here. The first one यहाँ तक ही ठीक है, सेव एंड साउंड तक. ठीक है, आगे. थर्ड क्वेश्चन, हाउ मैनी ट्रिक्स डिड द मैजिशियन शो? तो आप यहीं पे इसका आंसर लिख सकते हैं. आप लिख सकते हैं कि द मैजिशियन यहाँ से, द मैजिशियन शोड 4 tricks. Okay, 4 tricks. And the last question is, what tricks would you perform if you were a magician? This is your personal views. You have to write down the answer by yourself. अगर आप मैजिशियन होते तो आप कौन सी ट्रिक इस्तेमाल करते, तो ये आपका आंसर खुद ही होगा, आपने खुद ही लिखना है. ओके. सेकेंड वन इज करेक्ट द फॉलोइंग sentences. So listen to me very carefully. I is a boy. You already know that with I we use the helping verb am, not is. Okay. She is here yesterday. Yesterday is means talk about regarding the past tense. Yesterday, when we use yesterday, means the sentence is regarding the past tense. So we will not write is, we will write down was. ये was जो है वो हमें past tense के लिए हम use करते हैं. I have been reading from 8 o'clock in the morning. No, this is the present perfect continuous tense and we have to use since or for. But when we will talk about regarding the timing, so we have to write down since here, not from. Okay, since. He said, what is your name? So we are asking the question in the past tense, but here is written in a present, is. So we have to change the tense here. He said, what was your name? My mother asked me that where I was going. No, my mother asked me where I was going. We will remove that from this sentence. Okay. Say these words aloud after your teacher pronounces them correctly. Okay. There is a slight difference between these two words, so you have to listen to me very carefully. Blue, blue. Sew, sew. Red, red. In a past tense, read is the first form. In the past tense or second form, we means the form will be converted into second form, means read, read, read. So red, red. Threw, threw. Flew, flew. Okay, so you can do the practice at home. The E part is, with the help of the given word bank, complete the table given below. Word bank means we have the words, synonyms and antonyms, jumble words. So you have to find out the synonyms and antonyms and separate them. Clever, smart, stupid means clever. The synonym means smart, and its antonym will be stupid. Disappear, the synonym will be vanished. And the antonym will be appeared. Increase, gain will be antonym, and decrease, synonym. Gain will be synonym and decrease will be antonym. Empty, unfilled. Okay, and antonym will be full. Amusing, synonym will be cheerful, and antonym will be boring. Okay, so you have to write down your exercise on the book, but you have to write down the question answers on your notebook. Okay, complete your whole homework on your notebook and send in the school, because I want to check your homework. Thank you.